integrate a mixture of sine function and log function. And so what is the integration, please, of 3 sine 2x? Integration of sine is going to be? Negative cosine.
Negative.
And the derivative of 2x is just 2, so we have to remember to multiply by the multiply by the derivative, divide by the derivative, sorry. Okay, and I've still got that 3 there, so that's the integration of 3 sine 2x. Then we're going to integrate e to the power negative 3x, so always easiest to write the e and its power first. Derivative of negative 3x is negative 3, like so. Happy with that? And now that we've integrated it, we're going to use square brackets in our boundaries. Okay, now I can simplify this a little bit, so let's do that first. So this is going to come to negative 3 on 2, take away, another takeaway, becomes positive, 1/3 e to the power negative 3x. Okay, everyone happy with that?
Where'd your cos
What
go?
the cosine?
Yeah, the cos.
Yeah, the cosine's still there.
Yeah.
Come on.
It's after the
Cosine 2x plus 1/3 e to negative 3x. Okay, there we go. Alright, so when we put in our upper bound, the 1, it looks like this. That's our upper bound. And we're going to subtract our lower bound. Like so. Okay, now I've got cosine 2 and cosine negative 2. Is the 2 in degrees or is it in radians? Radians. Yeah. And always very important to check that your calculators are in radians mode. Okay. And always check that your calculator is in the right mode. Okay. And it is in fact radians. Okay. Most of the time it is, unless the degrees is there to indicate that it's degrees. Then we're working with radians. So now what we have here, if we expand these brackets, is negative 3 on 2 cosine 2, take away a negative 3 on 2, so I'm adding 3 on 2 cosine negative 2, adding 1/3 e to the negative 3, taking away 1/3 e to the power 3. Okay, can you give me a relationship between these two? What's going to happen? Cancel, you reckon?
Yeah. No.
Just because.
Oh, really?
Here's a unit circle. We're working in radians. So what is this angle here? How many radians is that? Pi radians. In other words, 3.14 radians. So 2 radians would be about maybe here. True? How much is negative 2 radians? It's there, isn't it? So for cosine, what can you tell me? They're the same, aren't they? Because the cosine value is on the x-axis, and so that value is the same for 2 radians and negative 2 radians. Cosine's the same answer. So if this is negative 3 on 2, and this is positive 3 on 2, Aiden called it, they're going to cancel. Yeah?
What?
So I'll make a little side note here. Since negative 3 on 2 cosine 2 plus 3 on 2 cosine negative 2 is equal to 0, we are left with 1/3 e to the negative 3, take away 1/3 e to the power 3. And I can factorize the thirds, and our final answer is going to be... Okay. And of course, e is a constant, right? That's a constant, so we could actually type that into a calculator and come up with one, evaluate it with one value, but otherwise leaving in terms of e is fine as well. Thanks, Sonia.